girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a strange, odd, and great combo, Elton John and Britney Spears. They did a song called Hold Me Closer, and it's very easy. We have one chord progression that goes in the same way through the entire song and with an easy strumming. So let's start this. No need for any capo as well, so the guitar is free. Let's do the chords. We have first F, so that's a bar here on the first fret, all strings, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. Next chord will be E minor, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. D minor next. That is open D, second G, third B, and first E. And the final chord will be A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. All right, so let's look at the strumming first. F will be the first chord, and one round will be down, down, clap, down. All right, so down, down, clap, down is one round. Down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down, 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 clap, down. Like this. All right, so then we're gonna look at this chord progression here. So it will be F, 2 strumming rounds, E minor, 2 strumming rounds, and D minor, 4 strumming rounds. Then you're gonna play back to F, 2, E minor 2, so everything starts in the same way, but now it ends with A, 4 rounds. So F2, E minor 2, D minor 4, F2, E minor 2, A4. And that's pretty much it. So let's do this chord progression for a round there. Let's start with F. E minor, E minor, D minor, E minor, 4 times, and F again, 2 times, E minor, 2 times, and A 4 times. Let's go for a second round. Yeah, that's it. Elton John, Britney Spears, Hold Me Closer. See you soon, guys. Play tuned.